Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to go and find Screencastify and then a little bit on how to use it just so you can store this and bring it up when you need to. So from a Google toolbar, you may have a couple of ways to get here depending on what kind of device you're using. I'm on a Mac, and right here beside my Google picture there are three dots. I can click on that and I can go to more tools. And then I can go to extensions. If you are on another device, a Google device, such as a Chromebook or a Windows device, you may actually have to go to Google and go to the App Store just via the Google page. Either one will work. So we can go to extensions here, and then I'll show you guys how to go via Google. Once you get to the extensions page, you simply type in Screencastify. There it is. Mine is already installed, so will already be here. You will have a button here that says add or install. You want to go ahead and do that. Once you've added it or installed it, it comes up here on your toolbar if you're on a Mac. So let's go back and look at what that looks like if I'm looking for, do Chrome Web Store in a Google search. And then you can search there for Screencastify. Looks just like this. You're looking for an extension. Screencastify. And there it is again. Okay, again, I already have it loaded. You will have a button that says add to Chrome. You do have to be using Chrome to use this. This is a Chrome product. So you will be needing to use Chrome as your browser. Once you get into Screencastify, there are a couple of options that you can choose as far as what you want it to do. There is the Screencastify Lite, which is completely free. It's actually the one that I have. You can also do Premium, which is $29 a year. I've used this before. I have a certain Google account I have to log in to use it because I pay for it through the school district. It's nice just that it doesn't have a watermark. Your other videos, if you do it with Screencastify Lite, will have a small Screencastify watermark. It just says made with Screencastify. So that's up to you. If several of us want to get together and do the premium, there's a premium 5-pack, which discounts it a little bit. So you get 5 for $100, which makes them $20 a piece versus $29 a piece. But you can find that up here in the top toolbar once you're on Screencastify that says pricing. One other thing you will have to, like I said, you'll have to be using a Google account, so make sure you're logged into your Google account. So Screencastify, once you comes up here on your toolbar, it looks like this. You can click on it. I'm actually using it right now, obviously, so I can't show you all the features you see when you get there. One of them is my recordings. This holds all of the recordings you ever made. You can see I have lots of them. I've made lots of different tutorial videos. It does share all of you can choose to share just your current tab, or you can choose to share your full screen.
I am going to show you how to
You don't want to watch that. That's how to use a different piece of software. So it will show you all of your videos here. You can then open them up from here. Also, let's choose one of these and pause it. You don't want to hear it. But when you get to your recording, this is one that I have done. You have buttons up here where you can crop or edit them. You have some editing tools. They're not huge on the free version, I'll be honest with you. You have share buttons. You can share those to Facebook, some other places, depending on the length. Instagram, you need to keep it under a minute if you're going to do that. They'll also go straight to your drive. It's where they're stored. So you can get the link here. And then also, as soon as you upload it, the video you finish recording, it will begin to upload, and you'll have another option here to export it straight to YouTube. So you can do that. So you can get some straight to your YouTube channel as well as your Google Drive. Make sure, however, you're logged into your YouTube account prior to doing that. All of those are Google products, so if you're logged into Google, they should continue to keep you logged into all of those at one time, but you do want to make sure that you're exporting it, especially if you have multiple YouTube accounts. So make sure you're exporting it correctly. If you guys have any questions or you want some help on how to actually record these, they're super easy. You literally click on this button at the top and you'll have a button that says record now. These are the ones that I have that I can push here to stop, pause, go back, or trash. But you literally have a button that says record now. You can see down at the bottom, it's sharing my screen. And that's it. Easy, super simple. So if you have any questions, I'd be glad to help.